Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome, it's me, Jane. And for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing you my own techniques how to achieve a perfect, fresh, glass skin makeup look without powder highlighter. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. I'm already done with my skincare routine, and I'm going to proceed to my makeup primer, which is today I'm gonna be using Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer. Gagamitin natin is yung pang-hydrant talaga, yung ng face within, yung talagang hydrated looking effect talaga. Next step would be foundation. And this step, maraming foundation na pwede kayong gumamit. But particularly, I'd like to use something na liquidy, kind of foundation niya. Pag summer, lalo na pag mainit, tapos beta-beta suro. Ano ba na Tagalog? yung nanlalagkit, ganun. As much as possible, ayokong gumamit ng mga foundation with a thicker consistency or yung malalagkit or creamy type. Personally, mas prefer ko yung mga liquid type. And maraming klaseng liquid type of foundation. Pasensya na kayo guys kung hindi ko kayo ma-referan ng mga Philippine products na pwede nyo maging alternative kasi I don't have it yet. Pwede kayong gumamit ng CC cream, BB creams. But for this look, I'm going to use this France-made liquid lightweight foundation, the Bourjois. Hindi siya ganun ka-heavy, kaya gusto ko itong ginagamit kapag summer. So, let's begin. Mga ganito lang, ganyan. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng kahit anong brand ng foundation, basta ang consistency niya, yung parang ganito lang siya napaka-lightweight niya na hindi mabigat sa pakiramdam. Basta liquid type, pag yung mga creamy type. Kung gusto nyo sundan to ha, itong ginagawa ko. Pero it's up to you pa rin guys kung anong gusto nyo gamitin. So, not gonna be using brush. I'm gonna use beauty blender. Pasensya na kayo guys kung hindi pa ako makapag-recommend ng ibang products from Philippines. Kung may mga nanonood man sa akin taga Pilipinas, hindi pa ako nakakabili ng mga ibang available sa Pilipinas na product eh. Not yet. Pero I'm planning to buy, lalo na mag-challenge ako ng mga Moraita products. Look, hindi siya ganun ka full coverage kasi makikita niyo pa rin yung moles ko and blemishes. So, ayan po. Then the next step, kung may mga blemishes kayo, kung meron kayong mga pimples somewhere popping around your face, you can just use concealer. Just grab a small brush like this, and then idamdam nyo lang dun sa blemishes nyo and let it stay for a while. Ingatan yung hindi siya mag-move. Lagyan nyo ng konting powder. For the meantime, I'm going to proceed sa contour. And this one is from KW Beauty, from Kim Kardashian. Alam nyo guys, dati ayoko nitong, hindi ko nagustuhan to. Kasi, ba't nga ba hindi ko siya nagustuhan nun? Kasi hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Tapos nakita ko lang siya. Pango natin ilong. Tapos nakita ko lang siya sitting somewhere dyan. Sabi ko, gamitin ko kaya pang everyday look to. Sayang naman. So, ginamit ko siya ulit. Nung ginamit ko na siya. Nagustuhan ko na siya. And I'm gonna get my contour brush. This is from Real Techniques. Meron talagang mga ganun, no? May mga products kayo na simula. Pero nagugustuhan nyo na after a while. Meron din naman gusto nyo sa umpisa, ayaw nyo na after a while. Parang ganyan din sa love. Kala mo mahal mo, yung pala hindi ka. Alam mo, mahal ka. Hindi pala. So, ayan. Naka-contour na tayo. For this look, I'm going to be using a cream blush. Hindi po powder blush. Gamit po ako ng beauty blender again. Dabit sa aking cream blush. This is from Stila. That convertible color. This is from Jouer. I'm going to let it sit for a while. Hindi ko muna siya i-blend. So while waiting for that, I'm gonna proceed to our brows. Gagawin natin look is, let's call it Hulas Proof Glossy Glass Skin Makeup. Parang ganun. Ano daw? Basta lalagyan natin ng eyebrow mascara. This is from Anastasia. Basta guys, kahit anong meron kayong product, okay lang, itry nyong gamitin. Basta, ang importante dito sa look na to is yung foundation nyo is not that heavy coverage. Para light lang yung dating natin. Then, since medyo matagal na nating binabaran, kinula. Since nababaran na natin tong concealer natin, i-blend na natin siya. So, here comes my trick. I'm going to set it with powder. For me, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier. Pero kung anong meron powder kayo dyan, you can use it, no doubt. But, here comes my trick. So, dun sa tip of your sponge, mga konting-konting ganito lang. Isiset lang natin dito sa may lines ng eyes. Here. And dito sa eyes na to. Not the typical application na maglalagay kayo from here to here. No. Hindi natin po gagawin yun. Dito lang sa nagki-crease yung concealer natin. Hindi siya mag-crease. Para yung concealer na nilagay natin is hindi mag-move. For my eyeshadow, if you also want to follow my step, then keep on watching. For that eyeshadow, I use this lighter. Actually, this is a contour palette from Tarte. Pero ginagamit ko siya sa eyeshadow ko. So, ito yung gusto kong lagi kong binibase. This color. I'm gonna be using this baby. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And we're gonna dab it. So magkikreate tayo ng line using a darker powder. This is from Laura. Okay lang kahit maging messy yung ends niyan because we're going to buff it anyways. Since it's all blended, I grabbed my waterline liner and our mascara base. This is from Clinique. Gonna be powder contouring. This is from Benefit Hoola. So next trick would be a shimmer powder. Magdadab-dab lang tayo ng konti. Hindi tayo magpa-powder all over. Just dab it gently and lightly. Even sa forehead, sa cheeks, dump lang. So remember guys, gumamit lang ako ng powder, translucent powder, matte powder, or any powder you have dito sa under eye area and sa eyes lang. And kung naglagay kayo dito, dun lang kayo maglalagay. But not all over the face. Hindi for all over the face. So all over the face, ang ginamit natin is yung shimmer powder. You may skip this part guys, but I'm still putting a shimmer type of blush over dun sa cream blush na nilagay natin kanina. Baked blush from Milani. Maglalagay na po ako ng mascara. This is from Too Faced. They're better than sex waterproof mascara. Better than sex though. Hindi nga. Better ka nga ba, Char? This is from Huda. So for this look, ang trick ko and trip ko hindi maglagay ng powder highlighter or cream highlighter dito sa cheek, which is yung usually nakikita nating tutorial ng glass skin look. Ang gagamitin ko for today is meron ako nentong Sand and Sky Dreamy Glow Drops. Kung wala kayo nento, that's totally fine. All you have to do is put some baby oil, a little bit of baby oil, and illuminating primer. Paghaluin nyo yun, kung wala rin kayong illuminating primer, oil, and lagyan nyo ng konting powder highlighter, and use it as well. So, since meron ako nito, ang ginagawa ko is, maglalagay ako sa hands ko, mga 1 drop, ganyan, then, i-wrap ko, and then, I'm going to dab it. Dab it like that. Slightly. Chin area and here. Wow! Can you see that? Can you see that glow? That natural glow? Yeah. And for the very last step, I'm going to spray this dewy mist from Tatcha. Then that's it! So that's it guys. I hope you like the trick. I'm gonna explain bakit ako naglagay ng oils after makeup. Pwede naman ako mag-highlighter. Well, of course you can. The thing is, kapag daytime ako magaganito, sa camera, sa video, powder highlighter, perfect. Kasi, nire-reflect niya yung mga shimmery ng powder highlighter, which is mukhang glossy and glass skin sa video, sa camera. But, pag lumabas kayo ng broad daylight, kasi may makasalubong ka, kitang-kita talaga na naka-highlighter powder ka ditong nag-shimmering splendid. Which is yung parang hindi ko gusto. Kaya parang ayokong ganun mag-heavy powder highlighter sa araw. Kaya I came up with this idea. Why don't I try this technique na okay naman siya? Kasi hindi ako naghulas because underneath this, naka-well set yung powder natin. Underneath this, meron tayong mga contour powder sa ilalim. Nakaset yung cream blush na nilagay natin. So, hindi siya ganun mag-move. Unlike yung dati ko mga na-try sa mga napanood kong mga tutorial sa YouTube. At the end of the day, wala na. Naghuhulas ako para ako nagmamantika. Hey, I like this method. This is the way I do my glass skin effect. So, I hope you like the trick as well. For those of you na oily skin, nagtatanong na how to achieve that oily skin na nga kami, suggest you make sure na na-set nyo muna ng powder yung T-zone area nyo and use some mattifying product dun lang sa parts na nagpo-produce kayo ng too much oil. Sa itong T-zone nyo, make it sure na well set siya with your powder. Yun lang po yung tips na mga ibibigay ko for oily skin. And for combination for dry, this trick will also do good as well. So, pag nagawa niyo po to, let me know what you think of it. Just comment down below. I hope this technique of mine would be helpful, guys. And sana makatulong ko sa inyo. That's it for now, guys. I hope you like the trick. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And please also do share as well. See you on my next vid. Bye!